students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today let us continue the lesson, his first flight. In our previous session we came to know that the seagull's mother made him to fly and he started to fly. Then his brother's sister and his parents all came around him and they were praising him. Now let us continue the lesson. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. He forgot that he was not able to fly. Now he is flying properly, that's why. And commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, shrinking shrilly. And not only just flying, he became expert in different styles of flying, like dive, soar, and curve, going and curving, like that style flying also he learned. Shrinking shrilly, and he was shrieking shrilly in a loud voice. He is screaming in order to express his happiness. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. Yes, now he is near the sea and he is flying over the sea, straight over the sea. Downside him there is sea and upside he is flying. He saw a vast sea, a green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. Yes, he saw vast green sea beneath him, downside him, with little ridges, and here and there were ridges. Ridges mean a long narrow hill or mountain range. He saw some mountain ranges there. Moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways, and while he was moving forward, he turned his beak that side and this side and cawed amusedly by seeing all these scenery. He became happy and he cawed. Cawed means made sound amusedly. Amusedly means pleasantly, with happiness, in a pleasant manner. He made sound. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. His parents, his brothers and sister, they landed on the green flooring ahead of him. Green flooring means on the green sea. They landed. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. They were beckoning. Beckoning means to wave or to nod to somebody to make the person come closer. They were making sign with their neck or with their wings. They were making sign to call him, come near, come closer. Means they were calling him near. Calling shrilly in a loud voice also they were calling him. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. Then he dropped his legs. Dropped means to bring down his legs on the sea, to stand on the sea. His legs sank. Then his legs, they sank into the water. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. He screamed with fright. All of a sudden he became frightened and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. And he attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger. But already he was tired with what? Tired and weak with hunger. For 24 hours he did not eat anything. That's why he was very hungry and he became weak. He could not rise. Though he was flapping his wings, he could not rise. Exhausted. Exhausted means tired or lost energy. By the strange exercise, he lost all his energy. By what? Strange exercise. What do you mean by strange exercise? Flying. For the first time he was flying. Because of that strange flying exercise, he is what? He is tired now or became exhausted. His feet sank into the green sea. His feet, it sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it. Then his belly, stomach part, touched the water. And he sank no further. After that, he did not sink in the water. He thought his whole body will sink inside the water. But earlier his legs sank inside the water, and after that his belly touched the water. After that he did not sink inside the water. He was afraid of that, he would sink completely inside the water, but it did not happen so. He was floating on it. Now he is floating on the water. And around him his family was screaming, and his family gathered around him, praising him, and they were praising him. At last you have learned how to fly. Like that, they were praising him. Their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish, and his family members, they were offering him with their beaks. They were having what? Scraps of dogfish. They were giving a piece of dogfish, pieces of dogfish to him. They were offering to him. He had made his first flight. In this manner, this bird was very afraid to fly earlier. He made his first flight. He was able to fly. Okay, with this we have completed this lesson. Let us move for the next topic in the next session. Thank you for watching video.